Hi guys, this is Ann and today I am going to explain my database lab exercise 7, that is using triggers and cursors. So this is my first question, that is to create a simple trigger that does not allow insert, update and delete operations on the supplier table. So for that I have used create trigger and the trigger name, that is T1, before insert on the table name supplier for each row, and then the PLSQL commands like declare variable 1 and the data type is number 4, begin if new SID is equals to S1 and I have given some condition here that new dot S underscore name is equals to AAA. Then the dbms output dot put line will be this cannot be inserted. So then I've used the rollback, end if and /n. So you can see the trigger is created. Now similarly for the delete and update operations, again I've used the same thing. Like I have created another trigger, that is T2, and then before delete and similarly for update on the table name supplier, and similarly I have given the condition, and as soon as it is printed the output will be printed as this cannot be deleted. So the trigger again you can see that the trigger is being created. Now the next question is to create a trigger that does not ensures duplication. So the next one is create trigger and then the trigger name, that is T4, after insert on the table name, that is supplier, for each row, and then declare a variable name with the data type, and then begin if exists, that is select star from table supplier, inner join inserted I on I.sid equals to supplier.sid. If the same SID is present in I, and if the same name is also present in I.sname, then an error is raised using the raise error duplicate name, and then end if end. So you can see again a trigger is being created. Now the next is to see if the order quantity has a rating. The order quantity is less than 2000, for which I have again created a trigger. Create trigger error before update on supplier for each row, and then declare variable 1, that is number 4. Then begin if new dot order ID is less than 2000, then I have declared a dummy, a variable with int, and then select error. An error is created, that is you cannot update, and I have passed on that dummy from order 1, where order 1 dot product ID is equals to no dot ID, and then end if end command. So again you can see another trigger is being created. So this is how we create triggers, and the following using update, again we have used create trigger T1 before insert update, and then the same values can be passed on to this, and this is how we create triggers. Thank you.